Today we're diving deep into what I see as an inflection point in foldable technology, the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This isn't just another foldable. It's a device that truly blurs the line between a standard flagship phone and the future of mobile. Now, at first glance, you might mistake the Z Fold 7 for a regular standard flagship smartphone, but don't let its sleek exterior fool you. Unfolded, it reveals a massive 8-inch internal display, offering an expansive canvas for all of your needs. Samsung has truly outdone itself with the design. This phone is remarkably thin, measuring just 4.2 millimeters thick when unfolded and 8.9 millimeters thick when folded. That's almost as thin as a single screen flagship. It's even lighter than the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, despite packing 2 screens. Crafted with an armor aluminum frame and protected by Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, it feels premium and robust. The re-engineered hinge provides a firm close and a super smooth opening with a screen crease that is far less pronounced thanks to a new teardrop-shaped fold deep inside here. And yes, it's IP48 rated for water resistance. Of course, I ran it under some water to test it out. The phone just shrugged it off. The displays are a significant upgrade. The cover screen is now a more usable 6.5-inch 21:9 aspect ratio AMOLED 2X panel with a crisp 2520 by 1080 resolution. It really does look like a regular smartphone display and is as easy to use for all tasks as, say, a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Open it up and you're greeted by an 8-inch QXGA Plus dynamic AMOLED main display, boasting a 2184 by 1968 resolution and adaptive refresh rate that ranges from 1 to 120 Hz. While bright and responsive, the punch hole camera on the main screen is a little bit more noticeable than in the last model. The flexible display is as useful as ever for gaming, movie watching, email, maps, and web browsing. It's a native multitasker, and because the phone is so light, it's a pleasure to hold and use during extended use. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do miss the digitizing layer because I can no longer use an S Pen on the display, but I can still use a dumb digitizing pen that will work and allow me to draw on it without damaging it. It's also a great canvas for AI tasks like photo editing, sketch to draw, and now Gemini Live, where it can view and react to what's on the big screen or what's being viewed through the camera. Let's talk about cameras. This is where the Z Fold 7 truly shines as the most desirable Z Fold to date. Finally brings a 200 megapixel main sensor, delivering incredible detail and clarity. This is the same resolution as the camera on the S25 Ultra, though the sensor was re-engineered to fit in the thin frame. Shooting at full resolution is a fine way to capture every detail. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera also impresses with its macro capabilities. However, the 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto lens, while good, might feel a little underpowered compared to the 5x optical zoom on flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Nonetheless, low-light photography and videography up to 8K 30 frames per second are of high quality. And with the Pro Visual Engine ensuring accurate colors and visual fidelity, I am impressed with how much truth there is in Galaxy photography. No more overbright or unnatural colors. This is the way I like it. I did, by the way, try out Galaxy AI-powered Audio Eraser, which effectively cut down the noise from video shot on a busy Manhattan street. Running on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8, the Z Fold 7 offers a polished and intuitive software experience. What truly sets it apart is the deep integration of Samsung's Galaxy AI and Google's Gemini. Imagine effortlessly removing objects or replacing backgrounds with the Magic Editor, getting creative with Drawing Assist, or cleaning up video sound with Audio Eraser. These AI capabilities are incredibly useful and seamlessly integrated without being intrusive. I'd also argue that they're all more impactful on the large, flexible display. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is a powerhouse. It's driven by a customized Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Samsung chip, boasting a higher clock speed than the standard version. Its multi-core performance even surpasses the iPhone 16 Pro Max, ensuring a smooth, and responsive experience for even the most demanding tasks. And with a 4,400 milliamp hour battery, you can expect all-day battery life. In my tests, we got between 12 and 18 hours, depending on tasks. Let's talk about the price. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,999.99 in the US. This is a slight increase from its predecessor in some regions, likely reflecting the advanced technology it packs. It comes with 256 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM, with a 1 terabyte model offering 16 gigabytes of RAM for those who need to pack even a little more power. Now, you can pick it up in stunning colors like this blue shadow. There's also a silver shadow, jet black, or a Samsung online exclusive mint, which is also pretty hot. There's no denying this is a pricey phone, but it's also arguably two devices. It's a flagship phone and it's a tablet in one device, and it weighs less than a single Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's probably worth paying for. I would suggest looking for trade-in deals and payment plans. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 worth it? It is the closest we've come to a perfect large screen foldable with its incredibly thin and light design, powerful performance, and finally a flagship level main camera. And it has all those integrated AI features. It truly sets a new standard. The only major criticisms I have are the lack of S Pen support due to the removal of that digitizing layer in the screen, slightly underpowered optical zoom, and of course, that premium price tag. But if you're looking for the best foldable experience money can buy, the Z Fold 7 is undoubtedly the one to beat. What are your thoughts on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews from TechRadar.com.